country, and we have the district chambers, about 10 district chambers, and 4 regional chambers.
You had donor funding initially that allowed you to establish these community banks and to start the process. Once the donor funding goes, the whole process, the whole project then pretty much fell by the wayside. So it doesn't look to me like the key is donor funding, but it really might be the business model. So I'm just trying to understand, you had some initial funding. Was it that when loans were dispersed to farmers, those were not being repaid? What was stopping these entities from being able to?
And I can tell you for free, we've done some time ago, years back, access to finance. We've managed it for free. We got 100% payback. Yeah, we loaned to about 6 companies. They all pay back. But again, I can say that money came from African Union and ECOWAS, and then IFA gave that money to them, and then they passed it to us with that money. So when there was change in minister, I mean, a kind of leadership in the Ministry of Agriculture, the new minister that came withdrew the money. So since they withdrew the money, before the collapse, that was the first time really we were able to like organize farmers in clusters. We were aggregating, and raw material was kind of supplied to processing facilities. They process and package product. You can see rice packaged well in the market. You can see also other product like oil palm well packaged in the shelf of supermarket or in stores. Cashew, normally our cashew is produced. We have very high good quality of cashew. But if you go to the street, you see these guys who put holding them in plastics also. So we had someone like Lion Foods, and then we have Neander packaging those products. I mean, even bringing them to the market. Those things were really happening. So we really want to look at structures of that nature, monitoring and ensuring that things like that seem to. Then the other thing that I love we have the European market now for us for about 4 products. We have some young European investors that are in Sierra Leone that have signed huge market contracts with these big stores in Europe and even in the US to supply cassava, puna yams, green beans, orange sweet flesh potato, and then some veg. Those contracts, we also signed that contract with them. What are we doing to supply this contract that we have signed in the sub-region to supply product? Because there are industries that need some supplies from Sierra Leone. If we are ready and all.
Your work program on improving market access. What is that?
Well, what we're trying to do is basically trying to create market linkages. I mean, in a way that telling buyers that product of this nature are available, we can produce them in Sierra Leone.
So you're dealing with the information.
Yes.
Making sure the information flows.
Yes.
So you connect
access.
market
Information access. And we also facilitate those contracts to make sure that on both sides. And those things normally should happen. That's why we organize expos, where we have B2B meetings and trade fairs. I hope you understand that.
Yeah.
So that's basically the concept of market access. We organize those. And internationally, those kind of programs are always organized. We are buyers in it. Kind of sellers or sellers, buyers and sellers and all of these.
And you provide advisory services.
Advisory services, yes. And how this contract can be managed. As we are doing now with agriculture from Europe, we already started exporting some of this product. But the challenge there is we want to. It could be an opportunity now, is to finance. That's the third thing that I'm coming to inside the market, and then finance is the input sector.
So that's one question. The value chains, you say cassava, green beans, and vegetables, the conservative science.
Yes. Punaya. Yeah. Punaya. And then the fifth one is we're looking at also Stelofina coffee.
Oh.
So we have industry here now that produce and process it. We wax it, it's waxed, and then put in cartons, well graded and standard. So
And they are exporting.
yes, but we have to go according to food safety through global gap standards. So we have to train the farmers. So we have global gap standards that is with us, working with us on that. So they certify the farmers to make sure that we access the EU market.
So we only have two, coffee,
We have orange, sweet flesh potato, cassava,
sweet
green beans, Stelofina coffee. Yeah. I live in now the mining, going to the agriculture sector. The mining was paying them around 800 millions, 900 millions. So under these kind of arrangement, we are paying them 1,600 million. And not only that, we take care of their medical and also for food in the farm. I mean, we also do safety. Safety whereas those ones are very close. Moyamba is around, Moyamba and 91 is also involved. That's Tonkolini. Because those who want, first of all, target the districts that are very close for transportation and all of that.